guys, welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. I apologize for being absent for a long time. If you don't follow me on Instagram, the reason why I've been gone for so long is because where I work, the base flooded. It was under 8 feet of water, and I was gone for 2 weeks because the runway was gone basically, and they had no idea how to get us home. So I was gone for 2 weeks, and then when I got home I ended up getting severely sick. Oh my gosh, it was bad. I had like 11 days off of work when I finally got home, and I had all these plans. I was gonna film videos and start working on, you know, the muslin of my coats. And I woke up the next day after getting home, and like my sinuses were just awful. I couldn't stop blowing my nose. I had no energy. I had no appetite. I just laid in bed feeling sorry for myself and trying to like make my husband pity me for how bad I was feeling, because it was just awful. I was like that for like a good week and a half. It was really bad. So yeah, I'm going to be filming a couple videos back to back to catch up on everything that I wanted to share with you all. And I'm in our guest bedroom today because my sewing space is really messy, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm too lazy to clean it to record videos because it's gonna get messy today once I start sewing. So this video, oh, I don't know if I mentioned this already, the dogs are in here, so you're probably going to hear Peanut chewing on her nylabone. Morton is whining and walking around. I think there's a bunny or something outside that he wants, because it's that time of year. And Pepper is over here to my right, just licking her feet, so she may pop in. You may see a tail in the corner. I don't know, but that's just what's going on right now. So I'm going to be going over my spring sewing plans. I only have 4 things that I'm going to share, and I've noticed that, so, side note, last year I would plan, you know, seasonal things that I wanted to sew, and it would be like 12 to 15 items, and I would only ever get 1 or 2 done, because I had a problem of overwhelming myself. And this year I'm like, okay, I'm going to take a step back. I'm going to plan fewer things and give myself, you know, space. 1, to take my time, and 2, add things that, you know, when new patterns or new fabrics come out, to add. It actually worked, because for my winter plans I had 4 items that I wanted to make, and I made 3 out of the 4, and I'm really proud of myself because I never make mostly everything that I want. So anyways, right, 4 items that I want to share. So the first one is this Vintage Vogue pattern 2883, and I'm going to make this version right here. I had this pattern last year, and this was on my plans last year, but I was too scared to open it up and use it. So, but this year my goal is to push myself out of my comfort zone, because you never improve, you know, unless you push yourself. So yeah, this version right here, and this is on my 2019 Make 9 list, and I want to make that using this like mint, I think this is a crepe fabric. I'm not sure where I got this because this has been in my stash for a while. So, but yeah, it's just like a really nice light fabric with a good amount of drape, and I think that's gonna look so cute for the springtime in this dress, with like some sandals or wedges or some cute like espadrilles. So I have high hopes for this dress. I'm definitely going to have to make a muslin first. I think I'm going to be making muslins out of pretty much everything. Okay, next, New Look 6346. I'm going to be making version B, which is the shorter version with the buttons. And I already have the muslin cut out for this. I cut it out last year, never got around to sewing it. So since it's already cut out, that's gonna, I guess, expedite the process. Hi, Pepper. Alright. Oh, hi, Morton. Alright, so the fabric I'm going to be using is this chambray fabric that I picked up from Joann last year, and this has actually been in my stash for a while. And it's, okay, you wanna know how I know it's been in my stash for a while? Because I Oh, Morton just stole the nylon bone from Peanut and she's not happy. I don't know if you heard that little growl that she did. Oh, hi Peanut. Did Morton steal your bone? Okay, so I have cabinets in my sewing space where I store my fabric, and I switch it out like I switch out my clothes in my closet. So like in the spring and summertime, I have like my spring and summer fabrics, and then when it starts getting cooler, I switch those out and bring out my like fall and winter fabrics that I have. And when I do that, I label things that have patterns already matched up with them, so that I know when I get them out next year, I'm like, oh, that's what this fabric was for, so that I don't lose track of what that fabric was for if I already had plans for it. Yeah, so I've had that in my stash for probably like a year or two. Okay, next is the Megan Nielsen Rowan bodysuit, and I made this last year. I made version 6, which was the long sleeve bodysuit with the turtleneck, and I really liked it. So this year, I'm going to make the short sleeve version and also a bodysuit, and I think I'm going to make it with the scoop neck, which is not an option in this pattern, but she made a tutorial for it. And I'm going to make it out of this, I think this is Ponte Roma, maybe, I picked it from. So over it, towards the end of 2017, I think. And I know like it's a little, Ponte Roma's a little bit thicker, but because the weather here is very strange, it'll be like 75 degrees and sunny one day, and then the next day it'll be 50 degrees, it'll be cold, the sun is nowhere to be seen. So the springtime here is very crazy. It fluctuates, the weather, it's insane. So I think it'll be okay to have like a little bit thicker of a bodysuit to wear in the springtime, because it's not entirely like warm yet, and it gets really windy here, so I think that'll be okay. And how cute would this look with like this chambray skirt, like a, you know, tucked in with like a cute little belt, with some sandals or some like shorter cowboy boots. I think that's gonna look really cute. And then the last one on my list, I don't have a paper pattern to show you guys. I have the PDF pattern, so let me move so I could put the picture here. It is the Grainline Studio Archer Archer shirt. It has its buttons button down. I'm going to be using that from this fabric I picked up from mood.com. It's like a denim shirting, so it's like, it's lightweight, so it's not thick like a denim. It's actually a shirting fabric, but it looks like denim. That makes sense. Let me see. Yeah. And I've been wanting to make this for a while. I think this was part of one of my plans videos last year. Surprise, surprise, never got around to it. So the reason why I want to make one of these shirts is because, oh, and I have wood buttons that I picked up when I was deployed. I found them, and I'm going to put them with like dark wood buttons. I think that'd be super cute. And what inspired me to make this was, there's this show on Netflix. I actually think it got canceled. I don't think they play it anymore. It's called Luke Cage. It was a Marvel superhero movie. And Rosario Dawson played in that series, and her character name I think was Claire, and she wore like a nice denim, dark denim button-up shirt, and I really liked it, so I'm like, you know what, I can make that, so that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, those are the 4 things that I have planned to make. 2 of them intimidate me, and that's the button-up shirt, which I made the Cali shirts, which had buttons, and I mean, it didn't turn out perfect, but it wasn't too bad for my first go around. So, and I made the closet case patterns Carolyn pajamas, which is also like another button-up type of shirt. So I don't know, I need to be more, what's the word, confident in my abilities, because they usually come out pretty good. They're not like horribly done. So for my 3rd shirt, this should come out really well, and they have like a sew along, which will help me out. So yeah, so the shirt and the vintage Vogue pattern I'm nervous to make, but I think it'll be good, hopefully. Wish me luck. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna try to keep this video short because I know a lot of my videos are really long. So yeah, oh, Peanut is standing on the... Let me show you guys real quick. What are you doing up there, little lady? Yep, she's just staring at me like, what, Mom? I can be up here. Oh, here comes Morton. Okay. Alright guys, so before it gets too long with me just showing you my dogs being silly, I'm gonna go and film the other 2 videos. So out of these 4 items, which ones are you guys most excited to see? And let me know what you're planning to sew for spring in the comments below. Changed my Instagram name. It's now megan.handmade. And that information will be on my Inslates. If you like these kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.